Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com. I just wanted to do this end of the day market recap video for you guys and let you know where we stand, what we're looking for, and how the day went, and what to look for the rest of this week here. So first off, I want to start off Nvidia. Nvidia had a nice pop this morning here, got up to about $530 a share, and we ended up getting into a nice little paycheck trade on Nvidia. We got a nice vertical spread on that. That's holding above that 10 SMA here. Just had a nice buyout of ARM Holdings this morning for about 40 billion. So that got a nice climb there of about 6% on Nvidia for the day. Secondly, Tesla just kept taking off, and this is a really important one. This morning we went over, during our live YouTube video, we went over a great trade idea when Tesla was like at 380 a share. So this morning, if you take a look down here, Tesla this morning was at about 380 a share, about 385 when we started talking about looking at a 399 400 vertical call spread on Tesla. That was only going for 40 cents to be worth $1. That means that's a max net gain of 150% if Tesla went above $400 a share. Well, since we made that, you guys could go watch that on the YouTube video from this morning as well, and you'll see it on there right at around this time between 10 and 10:30. So when we had that nice move there, we talked about that 399 400 vertical call spread as a nice paycheck trade. And if you guys remember, on the 22nd of September, Tesla is having their battery day. So I'm expecting some good news coming out of that. Tesla shares rocketed higher, almost nearing 418 a share right now. And we have the next resistance right at about 425. After that, 450, 475, and 500. Now, obviously, battery day is going to be next week. So I think we could continue to see some nice climbs here with that Tesla catalyst going forward here. So you could also look at something like we ended up picking up the Tesla 447 450 vertical spread for the September 25th expo, and that has a max gain near 300%. I love that setup, so I had to jump into that. Got a nice small trade on that, about 15 contracts, and I'm going to be looking for that break above 450 from now until our expiration of September 25th. So I love that setup on Tesla, and I like that climb it had here. There's a lot of momentum in this, especially from millennials and those that just are big Tesla and Elon Musk fans. Another thing, TikTok relying on Trump to back off of original demand to sell U.S. business and approve Oracle deal. So we still have to see if Trump is going to approve that. Oracle ended up partnering with them, and they're not buying it out. They're partnering, and they ended up choosing that over Microsoft and Walmart because of the fact that Microsoft wanted to change the back end of their platform for some security purposes, and TikTok, which is owned by a Chinese company called BitDance, really don't want to go too much into changing their platform there. So Walmart came out then today, and Walmart announced they still want in on the deal with Oracle, and you saw shares of Walmart when they announced that. Here was that big spike this morning on Walmart. Right at about 11:04 this morning, that news came out on Walmart, and it just rocketed over $4 higher from that point there. So that's what that big spike was from on Walmart when they announced, hey, they still want to get into that TikTok deal with Oracle there. But obviously, that pulled back there. We didn't chase after Walmart or anything. Tesla's still climbing, $419 a share right now here in aftermarket hours. $419.02, still climbing, looking great there. Another big news today, guys, FedEx just announced that they're increasing their pricing. They're increasing their pricing here. Let me show you the today after hours here. Let me see. Extended hours, you can see that got a nice pop here up to 230, 850 once that was announced. They're announcing that they're increasing their charges by about 5% for shipping. So that's big news there. FedEx has earnings tomorrow after the bell. So I wanted to look at UPS as a possible piggyback trade. Let me get that up there. UPS is looking good. 3-month daily chart. It's starting to break above that consolidation. Consolidation's right at about 162.50. She breaks above that, I think she's going to look for that 170 as the next target. But remember, FedEx earnings are tomorrow. UPS does not have earnings this week. So that means the option premiums for UPS are much cheaper than the option premiums for FedEx. So what I like to do is do a piggyback trade off of FedEx earnings by buying an out-of-the-money vertical spread or just buying some regular calls on UPS here to take advantage of that move I'm expecting on FedEx. So that's a nice setup, and we already made one trade on UPS as a piggyback. I'm probably going to look at a further trade tomorrow as we go into the afternoon tomorrow. So nice setups there on UPS, FedEx ahead of their earnings. As you guys can see, there's still some news coming on here. And like I said, one of the big ones too that I didn't announce this morning that just came out, AstraZeneca. If you take a look at AZN, this stock ended up pulling back here. There's news came out. You see this dip right here. This dip right at, what is this, 254? Right before 3 o'clock here, there's news that came out that AstraZeneca has their COVID-19 vaccine on pause once again after they announced there's very serious side effects in the UK that they're looking at, especially with children. So there's some very serious complications with their vaccine over in the UK, and their vaccine is going to be halted here in the US for a week or longer, they're saying. So that's what you saw that big spike down for. And that's why it's really important to be listening to that news. So that's pretty much going to do it for the day here, guys. We had a nice climb in the market. The Dow is up 330 points. NASDAQ's up 203. S&P 500's up about 42 points for the day. It was a nice climb. I'm looking to see if that momentum continues tomorrow. If it does, I think we're going to continue to climb the rest of this week after last week's sell-off. And I'm really looking forward to making some great trades here, guys. Also, one last thing. Our class is tomorrow at 5 p.m. It's just for the elite yearly members at breakingchartalerts.com. So if you guys are an elite member, you guys are sent a private email for your seat to sign up for your seat. It's free. It's included with your yearly membership. And those of you that are either traders or pro traders and want to get in on tomorrow's class, it's going to be on hedging and the proper time to hedge your account in a shifting market. That's the class topic for tomorrow, and that's going to be between 5 and 6 p.m. Eastern time tomorrow. If you're a trader or pro trader monthly member and you guys want to attend, you'll have to upgrade to the yearly elite membership, or you could purchase the class. But best thing you could do is upgrade to the yearly elite, and that way you'll get all the classes every week there. So if you guys are interested, just shoot us a message at Breaking Chart Alerts Facebook business page or email us at support@breakingchartalerts.com, and we can certainly upgrade your membership ahead of tomorrow's class. All righty, guys. Great day today. Congratulations and welcome aboard to all the new members that just signed up. Looking forward to growing the team and making some profits this week. All righty, guys. Take care. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. God bless and stay safe out there. Bye-bye.